As you can see, it looks absolutely delicious. What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make anabolic Greg Doucette style protein ice cream. What? Check that video out. I'm going to leave a link in the description. But no, not protein ice cream. I already made a video on that. We're actually going to be making anabolic protein Greg Doucette style, Greg Doucette inspired French toast. Cinnamon French toast to be specific. But yeah, it's going to be absolutely delicious. Packed with protein. Let's freaking go, baby. All right. First ingredient, you're gonna need some bread. I'm using the carbonate bread. It's basically like protein bread. It's got way less carbs. Look at this stuff. Way less carbs than normal bread. Here, let me grab some normal bread. Okay, I grabbed just some regular white bread for comparison. For 68 grams, they use the same serving size. You're getting 20 less calories. You're getting more healthy fats in this one, 6 compared to 2. You're getting carbs, 18 compared to 30, and you get more fiber, so the fiber is going to help you stay full, especially when you're dieting. I'm not really trying to lose weight anymore, but if you guys are trying to lose weight, you are dieting, definitely having more fiber is going to help you stay more full, and it's just going to make maintenance easier. Protein, 13 grams. In the regular, you're only getting 7 grams, so you're getting way more protein. Yeah, so I'm using a more like protein style bread. You don't need to, but if you want, you can use regular bread, but I use this because it has more protein, helps get my protein goals a bit easier, and it has more fiber, helps me stay more full and satiated. Next ingredient you're gonna need is some eggs and egg whites. If you're bulking, you can use just eggs, but if you're like maintenance or you're just trying to get more protein in, I recommend using a mix of both eggs and egg whites. Then go ahead and grab a container and a scale and pour out about 100 grams, about 170 grams egg whites. Then if you're like me and you like it super sweet, 4 sugar twins. It's not gonna give you cancer, shut up. Absolutely fine. Next up, just add your whole egg, and then add about 3 grams of cinnamon. How much is that? 2.2. You can add a little more than that. I like mine really cinnamony. Okay, that was way too cinnamony, but whatever. Alright, now just grab like a fork or something and just kind of like break that egg yolk and like whisk it and mix it all together until you get a nice mixture. Alright, I got that mixture all mixed in. Now I got some bread, a half-eaten piece that I was just, I smelt the bread and I was just like, I need some of that. So I just started eating it. But got some other slices, just like put it in there, Doesn't really matter. Just put it in there. Just kind of soak it up. This is enough to make like probably 3, maybe 4 pieces, but yeah. And just put it in there. And of course, this is a container, so it actually has a lid here. When I close it, I could like mix it all in there. And I would say let it soak for at least like 5 minutes, 10 minutes if you really want it to be nice. But if you really want it to be like soaked in the egg whites well, put it in the fridge overnight. So make it the night before, put it in the fridge, and then when you come and make it in the morning, it'll be all the egg whites and eggs will be soaked in the bread, and you'll get like really good proteiny French toast. Alright guys, now it's the morning time, so I'm gonna make this French toast. Just took it out of the fridge. And we're gonna let this cook now. Alrighty, it's been a few minutes guys, and this is looking pretty good. As you can see, it looks absolutely delicious. And then yeah, to top it off, you can put like no sugar syrup on it. Like Miss Buttersworth, no sugar syrup, low calorie, and that works great. But yeah, I just eat it like plain because I find it tastes amazing plain. especially if you add sweetener and you're not afraid of cancer and all that crap. But yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos like this, more recipes like this. It would mean the world. Small content creator out here just trying to make recipes for you guys. And thanks for watching, guys. Comment down below what kind of videos you want to see. Peace out.